is Richard, and this is the Right Honourable Rutherford P. Smashy Smash, 4th Earl of Creech. Welcome to Destructionism. This is a short one. I got a new desk, and it came time to dispose of the old one, which was falling apart. Everything fit into the trash can quite easily. Everything, that is, except for the top. It got set aside and left next to the trash cans for 2 weeks. Fortunately, I have a solution to problems like these. I mean, don't act like you're surprised. And it sure did fit into the trash can after that. If you like this video, please let me know. There will be another one up soon. Thank you, and remember, anyone can make a thing beautiful, but only a destructionist can unmake a thing beautiful.